Tasty lady's finger Mappas recipe. Very tasty when served along with chapathi, rotti or rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, keep it medium flame. Then add 10 to 12 lady's finger cut into small pieces like this. Fry it on medium flame for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove it from the hot oil. Keep aside for later use. To the same oil, add 1 inch size chopped ginger, 6 chopped garlics, 3 green chili slits, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 30 seconds.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 30 seconds, add 1 sliced onion, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. We don't want the onion to turn its color to light golden brown color. After 3 minutes, add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. Then add fried lady's finger to it. Mix it well. Also add 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it low flame. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Then add 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. Mix it well. Close the lid and keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before serving for best taste. Tasty lady's finger Mappas recipe is ready. If you are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 4 portions.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.